Yeah, what is up, man? How's everyone doing? I just got here to Walmart, 7 a.m. Today's Saturday. I think I'm gonna be spending the morning hunting. And take a look, man. This box right here looks like it's fairly new, fresh. Doesn't seem to be opened. Take a look. I don't know. A lot of Yoshis from Mario Kart. Looks like different kind of colors: pink, light blue, blue. Although that looks orange, I mean purple. And then you got orange, yellow, white, and black. But then the original green. I don't know which one is the one, like a chase piece or the one to get. But take a look, man. They got the factory 500 Hot Wheels. This is the Shelby GT 350R. Now I'm not gonna get any of these, but I'm just gonna show you guys. Take a look. This is the Bentley Continental Super Sports. Got the front, back tampos, nice and neat. Take a look, man. I'll put them in order, I guess. Hold on, take a look. GTR, the 911 RS in yellow. This is Porsche. This is like the Super for 2019 in purple. So this being the 9 or the 10 out of 10, actually the 10 out of 10. This is the 1 out of 10. This is the Cadillac CTS V. Tempos on the back. I wouldn't say on the front, but the sides, they does have Tempos sparkly paint job. And that bag with the gray interior being a 1 out of 10. And then you have here the 9 out of 10 McLaren 720S in blue. I would say minor Tempos, just the front, and that's about it. Nice rims. I really like the burnout graphics on the card, although every smoke coming out of the tires is the exact same cloud. Take a look. 13 SRT Viper. That's not bad. Not bad at all. But I only see, it does have a front and top tampos. This is being 7 out of 10. And take a look. 8 out of 10 is the Lamborghini Huracan LP 610 4. That's a lot of numbers. And take a look with the yellow lines, Lamborghini, and those mean looking nice headlights. I think this is the one to get, but I don't know. I mean, it's cool black, but if you had the front and back, I don't really dig the side tampos. This is yellow, so it doesn't really make much of a difference. I would have rather have the back tampos. And I show you the 9 out of 10. Take a look. This is the 5 out of 10, the 2012 Corvette Z06. Now this one is looking better. Take a look, man. This is what I'm talking about. You got the back tampos, the top, and the front headlights. Now this is a sweet one. Nice casting. I'll put it to the side. I might take it, but most likely I won't. But it's a possibility, you know. Take a look. This is the 2010 Shelby GT 500 Super Snake. If anybody knows about Mustangs, is that they zigzag, or I don't even know how to explain it, but they swerve until they run somebody over. if you've been to the meets, you know what I mean. Definitely, if you see a Mustang doing donuts, just get out of the way or outside of the perimeter, because you'll get slammed to the ground. What else is there? 7. I think I already talked about the Shelby. There's a Camaro 2012 ZL1 concept. There was a Super, but the Super was not a concept. It was the actual ZL1. but it was a previous year. I don't know exactly the year, but this is the 2012. And take a look. That front end is it's looking sharp. For 214, man, I would expect these guys to have the tampos, man. But other than that, just some extras. I think somebody was here before me because I don't see 1, 2, 3. I don't see the number 4, which would have been the. Oh yeah, what? I don't think these are in order. Number 7. Well, the ones I do not see are. Let's see. I think the Ford Shelby GT. No, that I saw CT. I guess they're all here. I just don't have them in chronological order. 1, 2, 3, and then 6, 7. I don't have 8. Oh, this is 8. This is 5. So I'm missing number 4, which would have been this one. So yeah, all right. It's a complete set right here that I'm looking at. Let me put them in order for you guys. Which I am not taking any. There you guys have it. 1 out of 10. The 2 out of 10. The 3 out of 10. And as you can see, the burnout smoke is all the same. 5 out of 10. The Corvette. 6 out of 10. The Bentley. 7 is the SRT Viper. 8 is the Lamborghini. 9 is the McLaren. Number 10 is the Porsche. Other than that, there isn't much, nothing new. I mean, there's some chase pieces right here, micro machines like this one, but not really interested. There's a lot. I've seen a lot of the so-called rare and a few of the ultra rare, but they're out there, so I wouldn't pay top dollar for those. There's plenty of, look, there's another one. There's one right here on the front and a second rare chase or piece. So for now, that's it, man. This is the first stop. A little bit of the Maisto. I think all the good ones are taken already, so yeah, I'm not taking any of these, but be on the lookout if you guys are into factory 500 horsepowers HP. And there you guys have it. I'm out. Yeah.